Hey guys, it's Cyrus. Today is, well, right now it is Thursday, February 24th, 2011, at about 11:16 at night. So it'll be the 25th soon. So I guess that makes, God, I can't do math in my head. I'm too tired for this crap. 25. Yes, I'm really sad, sorry. Okay, so today, or tomorrow, or whatever, is going to be 8 months and 17 days on testosterone. I haven't seen you guys in a while, or haven't been posting videos much. I'm, lost out on 2 months. And I guess I will have to suck it up and say time has sure flown. I mean, 8 months, almost 9, well, halfway, or more than halfway towards 9 months. June will make a year. I look different. Okay, so this hair bit is the result of maybe like a month of not shaving. Thanks for me being partially Filipino and Chinese. I don't know. Yeah, I think that might be it. But mostly the Filipino. We're not. Those ethnicities are not all that hairy, so the facial hair is coming in pretty slow. Hawaiian too, I'm not too sure. But yeah. Let's see. I don't know what to talk about really. There's so much that's been going through, that's happened with me over these last few months. I stopped making videos for It's Tea Time. I was hardly home for one thing. I was spending a lot of time over at my girlfriend's house. But I miss being home. I miss the solitude and the silence. She's definitely more of a social butterfly than I am. And I realized that the 2 years that we were apart, I used that to focus more on myself, which was great. But it cost me, well, it didn't really cost me, it's just that now that I'm mingling more with people, I'm very socially awkward. It's pretty much like teenage years all over again, except that I'm gonna turn 26 soon. Male social protocols, I guess, are still kind of, I'm still having to learn or navigate my way through them. I'm getting really irritated about being read as a gay guy by the straight guys. Apparently, I don't know, I'm only read that way because some of my mannerisms are not quote-unquote masculine enough, or feminine, rather. And the gay guys don't really read me as gay because they know their own kind better, or they just know. I don't know. I'm perplexed by it, but at the same time I try not to worry. I really don't care. I mean, I care, but I'm not going to be obsessive where I'm going to have to watch what I say or what I do. That just gets ridiculous after a while. Yeah, so I think my voice is kind of leveled off. I'm not too sure. I'm sure it doesn't sound maybe too different from the last video. I don't know. You guys can be the judge. I've actually motivated to go back to school. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm not happy at the job I'm at. I'm pretty sure I said that at the last video. Ooh. Alright, text message. But I really feel like I feel like my brain is not being used at all. Food service is a pretty mindless job. Unless you're a manager, which I'm not. And yeah, I got a good brain. I went to school for a reason. I enjoyed school for a reason, so I gotta put my mind to use. I'm tired of just spinning my wheels where I'm at right now. So, I got my taxes done, I got my application for financial aid set up. I just got to reapply to the local community college here. If you guys didn't know already, the new governor of Hawaii, Neil Abercrombie, he signed into law a civil unions bill, which will go into effect January 1st, 2012. So yeah, that's great. I think I mentioned this somewhere already that I'm really happy that civil unions is finally legal in Hawaii. The haters can just suck it up and see that it's not as bad as they all claimed it to be. However, I still want to, if things progress with my girlfriend or if she's not the one, which I'm hoping she is. But anyway, if I ever get married, I want to be married. I want to be a husband, plain legal male. That's what I want. But yeah, civil unions is great just for equality in general, regardless of what my personal hopes would be. So yeah, that's awesome. So I think I said in my last video that I got back into Magic the Gathering. I am starting to work up a trade binder. If any of you guys play Magic, trade cards or whatever, just let me know. Maybe I'll do Magic related videos on this channel, or maybe do it on a separate channel, I'm not sure. There's a bunch of us that play. Magic is pretty much the reason why Jamie and I got back together. And I'm hoping to actually turn it into something semi-profitable, whether through trading or through writing articles on it. I'm not too sure. I'm going back to college to get a business degree for sure, because I do want to have my own business. And I do want to be a part of the Magic community, and hopefully do something LGBT activism supportive related on those lines too. I don't know, it'd be really great to combine, geek, gamer, nerd, whatever culture with LGBT stuff, because the gaming thing isn't such a stigma as it used to be. I mean, there's still that stereotype of the overweight Caucasian guy in his basement, living in his mom's basement in his late 20s, early 30s, all the way up to the 40s. I don't know. I'm just mulling a lot of ideas in my head about this kind of stuff. Binders, I don't wear them anymore. I just don't feel comfortable in them. I'm at a point where I can just wear a sports bra and it's fine. I really just want them cut off already. But finances are not looking too good for me right now, which is why I need to go back to school, which is why I need to get a better job, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, I hardly wear it anymore. And finally got myself a decent haircut. Yeah, Jamie tells me every time how much of a cute boy I am. And it's great. My family, on the other hand, people that knew about me before, they still don't know. And even people who didn't know me before but know about me, about my trans identity, it gets awkward. It gets uncomfortable sometimes with certain social situations. And I'm just learning to roll with it, I guess. I really can't be bothered with other people, and yet that's what irritates me the most, is when I deal with other people. It's so much easier to just be alone and just not dealing with anybody, but then, I need to have that social interaction. I can't be stuck in my room forever. Especially if I want to help people. I gotta have to deal with them if I want to help them. Updates. Any more updates? I don't know if I really should do any physical gloating or whatever, but I am just gonna. I haven't worked out in a while, but I don't know. I like how I look. This is more in line to how I always thought of myself to be anyway. I actually started. Looking at my older pictures, and I kind of don't recognize myself. Even my girlfriend was saying something about that just the other night. Like, this is me. This is how I should have sounded years ago. This is how I should have looked like years ago. You know what? I'll admit that I'm bummed because ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to join the military. But, of course, right now they consider that being transgendered a mental disorder and therefore an automatic disqualification because you are considered mentally unwell to serve in the military. Sorry if I keep rubbing my nose. Allergies lately. What else? Oh, another thing that was irritating or bugging me before, I know I shouldn't have let this bother me before, but there was a comment that somebody made on my It Gets Better video, and they were talking about Sharia law and all this mumbo jumbo, and I'm like, first of all, I'm not Muslim. So why would another person's religious practices, why am I being defined by someone else's religious practices? Then again, Christianity has that thing about it too, so yeah, it's just annoying that it just goes back to why I should just tune people out. It's just irritating when haters have nothing better to do with their time but try to make other people's lives miserable just to make themselves feel better. Well, that's it for me for now. It's been a while, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well with whatever is going on in your world. I'll try to do more videos. Hopefully if I'm home more like this, I will try to do more. Anyway, take care, and I will catch y'all later. Aloha.